Which forces act on Santa's sleigh during flight? How do these forces alter its motion? And why is Santa's sleigh the biggest unsolved mystery in physics? 4 forces act on Santa's sleigh when flying to deliver your presents. Weight, acting downwards, is caused by the planet below the sleigh. The force on the sleigh due to gravity depends on the mass of the sleigh and the strength of the Earth's gravitational field. Air resistance is the force from air particles colliding with the sleigh as it moves. This drag force opposes the sleigh's motion. Thrust is the force which moves the sleigh forwards, and lift is the force which moves the sleigh upwards. Physicists don't yet know how lift and thrust forces are generated by Santa's sleigh. My hypothesis is that both are provided by Rudolph, the red-nosed robotic reindeer. Here, all 4 forces are the same size or magnitude, and so Santa's sleigh is in equilibrium. The horizontal forces are balanced, and the vertical forces are balanced, so there is no overall or resultant force. This does not mean that the sleigh is not moving. It means that there is no change to its motion. This is Newton's first law of motion. An object stays in motion with constant speed and constant direction unless acted on by an unbalanced force. If Rudolph increases the size of the thrust force, there is now an unbalanced horizontal force on the sleigh. The sleigh now experiences a resultant force horizontally to the right, and so the sleigh accelerates to the right. Likewise, the sleigh would accelerate upwards if Rudolph increased his lift force. A resultant force does not cause movement. It causes a change in velocity in the direction of the resultant force. We call this change in velocity acceleration. If the resultant force is in the opposite direction to motion, the object slows down. It decelerates as the acceleration is negative. So, how can we calculate the size of the acceleration? Newton's second law of motion states that the resultant force equals the object's mass multiplied by its acceleration. The acceleration is greater if the resultant force is greater or the mass is smaller. If you like this video, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe to Bricking Physics.